Yes, I put glue on my glass. Stick around, I've got so much to show you. Welcome back to Do It on a Dime. Today's video is sponsored in part by thredup. Man, did I feel like we needed some motivation this week. If you feel really overwhelmed with your house right now, whether you're renting or it's just a space that you can't get on top of, I have got you covered with some of my favorite tips and hacks. And the first one I want to share are these wall decals. Now, if you've been watching my recent videos, you know I am obsessed with wall decals from the dollar store. What I'm loving are the 20-minute makeovers. These go on so easily and stay up even in high humidity situations. And you can do about one wall for about 20 bucks. Yes, that's using just single $1.25 pieces from the dollar store. I've done everything from bathrooms to stairways to walls. But I want to share a hack I've never shared before, and that's with these copper tiles. I was working in this bathroom. It's at my friend Leslie's house. It was a little bit disorganized and we felt a little bland, and not naming names, but somebody ruined the blinds. Oh, hey, Hamlet. We decided to put some faux copper tiles from the Dollar Tree right on the ceiling. These came out so amazing. This is the best type of makeover that you can do in just 20 minutes. In fact, I did this entire bathroom in under an hour. These tiles go up so easily if you stand carefully on a ladder. And plenty of time to hang out with my friend. Won't she do it? This is how you do it. This is how we do it. You probably want to know, do it last? And my answer is yes, it does. This works best on flat and semi-gloss paint. I use an X-Acto knife on the edges to help trim them down, and I go over it with a squeegee to help them adhere better. Tiling your ceiling gives it a really high-end look, and we're gonna go down below too to get some organization done. Do you have a spot like this in your house that you just haven't addressed in a long time? Well, now, my friend, is your moment, because the dollar store has tons of bins on sale. I got these beautiful stacking white bins from the Dollar Tree, but I also grabbed a lot of things that she already had at home. We didn't have to spend a lot of time, and now everything is visible. I even found a push light that Leslie said she had in her closet for 10 years and she never used, so we decided to install it. I love how this turned out, and it was done in about 15 minutes. I love getting items on sale. My next trick is to shop all of those summer sales. These are traditionally forgotten about, but my friends, you can get items for 75 to 90% off right now and use things that you already have. I found some beautiful greenery that my girlfriend really liked for just a couple of dollars. We took an old frame that she already had and glued this right on top. You may have seen some of those incredible moss installations that are so beautiful and trending. I picked up some moss from the dollar store that we could put in between some of the foliage. In person, this is such a wow and looks so high-end for about $2.50. This is what always happens, right? When you start to make over something, there's a little bit more that you can add, and sometimes those things are right under your nose. I'm gonna show you this space and like 3 more spaces in this video, including that glass glue. There is so much to show, and it's all on sale. I cannot wait to show you the after of the bathroom, but first, a huge thank you to thredup, who sponsored this video. If you like shopping sustainably and you like shopping thrift and cheap, my friend, you are gonna love thredup. They have your favorite name brands up to 90% off estimated retail. It's an amazing way to shop sustainably, save the planet, and it is perfect for back to school. And you might not know this, they have kids items on thredup. Check this out. This brand new with tags Under Armour sweatshirt was $10. They have tons of name brands like Nike. I got this for 10 bucks, and a Roblox shirt that he is obsessed with. 90% of my wardrobe comes from thredup. It's so easy to find garments. They're in great condition. I can look at them, find the sizes, and everything is filtered, so it makes shopping fast for me too. It's perfect transitional for back to school. This Mona Me shirt retails for $30, and I got it for under 20 bucks. It was brand new with tags. This top I'm wearing retails for $153, and I got it for just 30 bucks. These Lucky Brand shoes were just $30, and I love how easy it is to shop on the site. It's super easy to filter clothes by your size, so you can find exactly what's right for you. Hands down, this one is my favorite though, y'all. This Grade and Gather blouse retails for $58. I got it for just 16 bucks. It is such beautiful fabric. It was new with tags. I love how I can dress this up, dress it down, wear it with jeans. These pants were just $21, and they are so soft. This look is definitely one of my favorites. It is so easy to wear. This skirt is my wild card and I absolutely love it. It is by Chic Wish, and every time I wear this, people are like, your skirt is so cute. It's kind of got like Miss Frizzle vibes in a way, but it's just so unique. So the real question is, what are you waiting for? You can use the code Kathryn for 40% off of your first order for back to school. I love shopping thrift. Definitely tag me in all of the incredible things that you find. All right, are you guys ready to see this? Let's hit it. All right, now I want to share one of my favorite tricks for this video, gallery glass. Now, in a recent video, I shared how you can take dollar store contact paper and put it right on your glass for privacy. But there is an incredible product I cannot wait to tell you about, gallery glass. This is almost like a glue, and what is great is it's completely removable. I have tested it even if you messed up and used it for years. It is really great for giving privacy to your doorways, any place in your house, or even bathroom windows. This comes in all sorts of fun colors. Don't you worry, I'm going to show you everything. One of my favorites is to get clear gallery glass. This is so easy to put on. You literally just use the spout and put it on as if you were applying a light layer of frosting. And then using 1 or 2 fingers, you lightly tap the glass. Now this might look like a hot mess as you're putting it on, but as it starts to dry, it's going to give you that opaque look so you have lots of privacy. And what's great is this peels back when you're done. Just like a glue. Remember when we used to put like glue on our hands when we were a kid and like peel it off? Maybe that was just me that used to do that, but this works the same way. There used to be a curtain in front that was all beat up by the cats, so as soon as we put this on, you get all of that natural light coming in, but nobody can see inside. We kept it super simple. I shopped her house for some vases. Remember those florals? I got those for really cheap, and this bathroom turned out so cool. It's stately, it was really affordable, and her husband loved the ceiling. I think it is the biggest statement in this room. And the before and after is a really big difference on a very small budget in under an hour. I also noticed in my friend's kitchen, she had a beautiful archway above her top window. So we thought we would test out some gallery glass in this space using 2 different shades of blue. You can also buy for just a couple of dollars some tape that looks exactly like leading. This is used with stained glass. It applies super easily and is removable. We decided to do this in kind of a starburst shape and put all of the gallery glass on. I think this turned out so beautifully. I would love to hear in the comments down below where you would put this in your house. It was really fun to experiment with different colors and to fill all of this in. Now, the really cool thing about this is as it dries, it's going to start to become opaque. So give it some time before you see the final result, but I love it. Another amazing spot to use this is right by the front door. I want to know how many of you have glass panes by the front door. These are really tricky because everybody can see straight inside of your house. So this is another really great spot to use them. I really like working with the Snow White and the Clear. The one that you're seeing in the previous segment was the Snow White. This is the clear version. So you can see here is the before and then the after. And again, this is really easy to peel away if you move or you want to change it out. I want to tell you a quick story and I hope you can relate. So when I was over at my friend's house doing these 2 makeovers, I noticed her office area. Now this is right in the kitchen, and she said that this space was causing her to feel so overwhelmed. She was thinking about back to school and all of the things that had to happen. She works full time and was just feeling really like she couldn't tackle this space. And I think my next hack, or really maybe next truth, is that most of what you already need is probably already right under your nose. I said, Leslie, if you give me 45 minutes, I will help you redo this space. We're gonna use items that we already had. We're not gonna spend a dime, and I think you're gonna love it. You are so capable. Now I'm capable of everything. If you're looking at a space, no matter how small or big, and you're thinking, man, all of this feels all wrong, stop and affirm what you already have and recognize you can trust yourself to make that space exactly what you're looking for. My girl loves her sticky notes, so we decided to take all of those off of the back wall and stick them inside of a notebook. That way she can flip through the pages and remember those spur-of-the-moment thoughts that she had, but she doesn't always have to keep them for years and years up on the wall and cluttering up her thinking space. They're just making you feel good. These are your love language.
They are. Post-its are my love language.
Ask yourself where you can eliminate 3 decisions for yourself. or simplify something that is going catastrophically awry. What we decided to do was go through and organize all of her kids' supplies. And we found out she actually has a lot of back to school supplies already and saved herself over $100 and having to purchase them brand new. She didn't even realize that she had them. Again, we live in this age of convenience and sometimes we forget what we have is already right under our nose. We decided to reorganize some drawers, just taking things out of their packages. I used old containers that I already had from the dollar store in all of these places.
What if I wanted to use those Post-its?
They don't fit in the container.
All right, dump them.
If I'm starting to feel down in the dumps just with everything, for me it really helps to access that gratitude, being so grateful for having more than enough. And giving yourself some grace along the way, that it's not always gonna stay that way. We're a work in progress, right? Whether it's your clothes or a space, you can take those items, those phrases, even like those words that have been spoken over you that no longer suit you, and replace them with what does.
We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
Be sure to click the link down below and use the code Kathryn at checkout for 40% off of your thredup order. My sweet friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. More than enough. I'll catch you soon.
I now have a clean palette to systematically destroy. I won't, I promise.
A small amount, a smidge.
Just a smidge, just a little smidge.